Hello students, welcome back to string handling lecture 2. So today we'll be doing some more methods of string handling. Yeah, so the last class we have already seen the methods length, 2 lowercase, 2 uppercase, charAt and index_of. Hope you remember all of them. Now let's go to the next method, lastIndexOf. The lastIndexOf method is similar to indexOf. The only difference is it will start checking from right to left, from last to first. Okay, now coming to the lastIndexOf method, as per the explanation, it returns the index position of the last occurrence of the specified character, checks from right to left. So for example, if your string is java.lastIndexOf A. So this lastIndexOf method will search for the specified character in the given string from right to left. It will start searching from right to left. So here it finds the first occurrence of A and the index of that A is 3. Yes, so it will become, just a minute. Yes, so the answer will be 3 in this case. Okay, and the second example here is java.lastIndexOf Z. Now the Z is not present in the given string Java. Therefore, the answer returned will be -1, as we saw in indexOf method. Okay, so both indexOf and lastIndexOf returns -1 for any character not in the given string. Fine. So that is with lastIndexOf. Now let's move to the next function, that is startsWith. Yeah. Okay. Yes, so the seventh method is startsWith. The return type of the method is Boolean. And this method will check whether a given string starts with the specified string or not. If yes, it will return a Boolean value that is true. Otherwise, it will return a false. Okay. So in this case, java.startsWith JA. It is true because the sequence is same and the output will be true in the first example. Now, if you take the second example, you know Java is case sensitive. Therefore, since the given string does not start with small j, the answer returned will be false. Right? So make sure that you are considering the cases as Java is case sensitive. Now coming to the next method, endsWith. It's similar to startsWith. Only the difference is it will check whether a given string ends with the specified string or not, and accordingly returns a Boolean value. Now for the first example, java.endsWithVA, it is true. And the second example will return false, as the given string Java ends with VA, but here the specified string is JA. So it's not matching, therefore it returns false. Okay. Then the next method is replace. Replace has 2 character arguments in it. It will replace all the occurrences of the first given character with the second specified character in the given string S. So let's understand it through an example. Now, for example, the string is Java. Okay, it is convenient to check the output with the string, right? So, you can take any string within the string literal within the double quotes and apply these methods to check the outputs. Okay, so Java dot replace a comma o. So here what does it do is it will replace all the occurrences of the first specified character with the second specified character in the given string where the method is applied. So the output for this will be all A's will get converted to O's, right? So it replaces all the occurrences of A with O in Java, resulting in the string JOVO. Okay, then comes replace all. Here it will replace all the occurrences of the first string with the second string. Fine. So if you see the example, it is good dot replace all is with was. So the output will be it is good will get converted to it was good, because all is in the given string will be replaced by was, resulting in it was good. Fine. So that is with respect to replace all. Now let's see a very important function, substring. It many programs will find the use of substring methods, so please understand it very carefully. Okay, so we'll be doing these two methods now. Yes, substring function. Substring function is used to extract part of the given string. So whenever you want to extract part of the given string, you have to use substring. When you want to extract a character, a single character, we have used charAt, the initial methods, right? But when you want more than one character of the string to be extracted, then we have to go for substring method. Now, let's consider this example here. I have taken S as Java program containing 12 characters. So since the index begin with 0, J's index will be 0, A is 1, like that it goes on. Now when we say s dot substring 5, see again this substring is an overloaded function, meaning same function name, different parameter list. It accepts a single integer and it also accepts two integers. So you can say that substring and indexOf method are examples of overloaded function. Now, substring has two formats. The first one accepts single integer. So in this case, it will start extracting from fifth index till the end of the string. So if you consider S is Java program, now if I apply s dot substring 5, it will start extracting from fifth index, which starts with P, till the end of the string, thereby returning the answer as program. So this will be the output of the applied method. Now coming to the second example, s dot substring 0,8. Here it will start extracting from index 0 till 1 less than the second argument. That means up till 7th index only. Fine. So it will start extracting from index 0, that is, it will extract J, A, B, A, space, P, R, O. Okay. Not the character at 8th index. It will extract starting from 0 till 1 less than the second argument. So it will be up till 7th index only. So the output will be Java Pro. Now s.substring 0, 4. What will be this? Again, you will start extracting from index 0 till 1 less than the second argument. Therefore, the characters at index 0, 1, 2, and 3 will get extracted and not the character at 4th index. It will be always 1 less than the second argument. Okay, hope you understood that. Okay, now coming to the third method, that is trim. Trim method removes all the leading and following spaces of the given string. Now, if you consider a string S as Java, now these underscore what I have given there implies a space. So just consider them as space and tell me the answer for S dot length. What will be S dot length for the given string S? Yeah, length will count number of characters, right? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the length is 8. Now, when I apply s.trim and assign it to a new string s1, what it will do? Trim method will remove all the leading and following spaces. Leading means which occur before the characters, and following spaces means the spaces occurring after the characters. So when s.trim is applied and if you find s1.length, the changed string, you will see that the length of string reduces to 4 because all the leading and following spaces which were there before and after Java got removed by the application of trim method. Okay, now I'll just give you one simple example. If you apply, for example, A, B, C, C, D dot trim. Okay, after applying this, if you find the length, what will be the output? Can you guess? Yes. So please check what output you got. Here the output will be 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 characters. Even space is counted as a character. But here trim will not show any impact because the space involved here is in between the characters, and trim can only remove leading and following spaces, not in between spaces. Therefore, length of this string will remain same. There will be no change even if trim method is applied, because here there are no leading and following spaces, but the space is only in between, which will not be removed through trim method. So the output is 5. Okay. Yes. So one second. Yeah. So as I was telling you last class, to check all these string methods through BlueJ, you can do it like this. It will be very helpful. You can learn all the string functions like this. See, you can see here I have created a string and I'm applying all these methods. Left side I am putting it in within double quotes and right hand side is the function. So in the output you will see both the question as well as the answer returned. So it will be easy for you to understand if you see both the question as well as answer. So you can do it like this, or you can even apply the method directly to the string literal this way. I'll just show you the working because it's very important to check all these methods in BlueJ. You should become very familiar with all these methods because once we finish these methods, you have to use these methods while doing programming. Okay, so let me show you the output. First, compile it. I have just, okay, Control K. Yeah. Okay, charAt accepts a character. So I have to give a character there. Yes. Okay, now it's compiled. Control K. So whatever, okay, this side you can just put A. That is your escape sequence character. So I think that's why it is creating a problem. So I'll just put it in comment. You can use the first way because double quotes and single quotes slash and slash T are escape sequence characters. So you have to use escape sequence character for double quotes and that. So that's why it is giving you error. Anyways, it is compiled and you right click and call the function main. So you can see s.charAt2 is v, s.length is 12. So you can even display the string here. You can, you can display the string so that when you see the output, you can understand it. So like this, you can copy paste and do all the string methods. And at the end, check all the functions in the terminal window, the working understanding part. So you can see the string here, the method applied and the output. So likewise, you finish all the string methods you have learned till now. Okay. Fine. So with this, we come to the end of today's class. We will finish the string methods in the very next class, and then we start with programming. So before that, keep practicing all these functions. We'll have an interesting exercise coming up next class. So only when you are familiar and clear with all the methods, you will enjoy doing them. Thank you, everyone.